Okay, so before he comes out, I'm gonna try to do a prank. See how it goes.
These users are here. Oh, what is that gonna do? Something even more reflection. She doesn't have her sunglasses. She stinks by
No. You said to put these on. I have proof right there on camera. He wants to be funny, so let's be funny. I got some goggles.
Wow, what is that gonna do? Bucky from the air. Hey everyone, welcome back to a brand new day. It's a brand new video. So two great minds think alike, right?
So today we're gonna go to Target. We decided that we're gonna do the Bean Boozled challenge.
The girls, once they taste something, they won't like it and they're gonna spit it out.
Me too.
And they're gonna be very, very against it. So stay tuned, guys. Why so serious for?
Tired.
Tired? Why are you tired for? You pregnant? So guys, Denise might be pregnant, and I hope not, because I don't know, man. 4 kids is too much. That means we need a bigger car, and it's either that or she's gonna be driving a Honda. Back of me all the time when we go places.
If anything, you'll be in back of me.
Yeah, you're gonna be back. You're gonna be a little Paquito in back of me. Right, this is when she's dead, guys. Look at that.
I'm hungry and I'm tired.
And I'm not. I can't say nothing.
Why?
Because I said we ate a fucking lot earlier. We ate a good amount of food, and
that was 4 hours ago.
yeah, but to be really hungry, it's like...
I didn't say I'm really hungry. I said I'm hungry and I'm tired. Tried to take a nap. Kids didn't let me. Someone had to come knocking on the door.
Could it be just out of boredness, maybe?
No, I'm tired. I'm tired.
Damn. That honestly sounds like pregnancy to me.
Oh yeah, doctor?
No, but I've been with a woman that's had 3 kids already, so I kind of know the routine already, Tiredness comes.
No, that was only with Leo.
The tiredness comes.
Only with Leo.
And the Osco comes. And then the hungerness is always there.
Not with Leo.
For some reason, I'm eating throughout the pregnancy. Like, I'm having a kid. And I get cravings too. I don't know why. Well, that's the funny part. So I don't know. I've been kind of hungry too lately, so...
Well, I already did a pregnancy test, and they said it was...
They said come back the 25th, that it might be too early. So it could be too early because you barely got off... I don't know, what did you get off?
Someone honked at you.
They honked at me? Shit. I did an ohm cell. I'm gonna stop. I'm at a red light, so... What the fuck are they gonna honk at me for? I'm gonna go look at the car.
Is it? Found it.
Can I see it?
So we're gonna get 2 of these.
2 of these.
So let's go find Daddy.
I know Daddy is.
So we were gonna go to Target, but we went to Walmart first, and we found them. Where could Daddy be? Come on, Aileen. So I was trying to do a prank where I put a sign, a paper that says on the trunk, "Honk at me, it's for a prank." And it's not going too good. I only got 1 honk. So let's see if he notices. Come here. He saw my little sign. Didn't work. Ain't nobody want to cooperate.
One car.
And you're like, that's not for me.
I was like, what the fuck? Did someone put this on when we were parked inside there? Then I was like, wait, there was a car that, that honked at us over there. I was like, not honking at me, honking at somebody else.
Yeah, the stupid prank didn't work. But thank you to that one person that cooperated.
I need help.
What an epic fail.
You know, no lie, it wasn't an epic fail because if she would have recorded it while I came back, I was like, what the fuck? No, but only
I couldn't
one
because I
car.
was trying to put the kids in the car really quick. And then I heard you slam the cart. I was like, fuck!
Yeah, I seen. I was like, I thought a security guard did that or something because that was when I drove in. I kind of drove the opposite way, so I thought they were like, you know, I was like, honk the horn. I mean, it's a prank. I was like, oh, this had to be Denise, you know.
I'm the only one laughing.
But we were gonna go to Target to find the little game, the jelly beans. So we went to Walmart to stop for something real fast, and thankfully we found it at Walmart. So like that like literally saves us, you know, like an extra little drive. So that's pretty cool.
Even though Target's just right next door.
Yeah, but you know, to get the kids out of the car and in the basket and back in, you know, saves us an extra trip, you know.
Someone else honked at you.
But the notes not on the car. It's been someone else, man. And now that she's like that, like low key sneaky, put another tape. Like, where'd you get the tape from? I hid that shit.
The room.
I hid that tape from me.
I looked everywhere. I was like, I think where's the tape? Where's the tape? And then I found it.
Try to do a prank to me. It's a prank to us because we're in the same car, man.
No, it's for you because you're the driver. You'll be like, what the fuck? Why are you honking at me? I wanted to see like your road rage. Like, man, fuck you. But nope.
That's too much. Because too much, huh? We're breaking YouTube's rules, guys.
We don't cuss that much.
No, we don't cuss too much, guys. We're just being real a little bit, you know, like. See you guys at home, guys, when we do the challenge, guys. So other than that,
No, we're gonna do it tomorrow. We're not doing it today.
Okay, we'll do it tomorrow.